Hi, I'm Maverick, a project expert, and welcome to our FAQ series, Glad You Asked. Today's question is, how do I choose the perfect range? Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, choosing the right range is a big decision. Today, we'll take you through everything you need to know to make the right choice. Let's start by understanding what a range is. A range combines a cooktop and an oven in a single unit, offering you the convenience of both stovetop cooking and baking. Next, let's look at the different installation types available. Ranges come in three main installation types: freestanding, slide-in, and drop-in. Freestanding ranges are the most common and versatile installation type. They have finished sides so they can stand on their own or between cabinets. They often feature a backsplash and a control panel at the back. Slide-in ranges are designed to fit between cabinets to create a built-in appearance. Slide-in ranges don't have finished sides, so you have to install them between cabinets for a seamless look. Drop-in ranges are installed in a custom-built base cabinet. They create a streamlined, high-end look, but keep in mind that they might involve a more complex installation. You'll also need to consider how your range will be heated. Ranges will either use gas or electricity for both the cooktop and the oven, or a combination of fuels. This is known as dual fuel ranges, where the cooktop runs on gas and the oven uses electricity. There are advantages to each fuel type, but the style you choose will depend on personal preference and whether or not gas service is available at your property. Range tops typically have 4 or 5 burners, but large commercial grade ranges can have up to 10. Let's take a look at your electric options. With electric coil cooktops, your cookware will sit directly on electric elements. These cooktops are generally the least expensive option, but keep in mind that the elements can be slow to heat and cool down. Radiant cooktops also use electric coil heating elements, but the coils are under a tempered ceramic glass surface. Induction cooktops look similar to radiant cooktops, but they use a very different technology. They have electromagnetic heating elements below a smooth surface. The elements only heat up where there's direct contact with the cookware. This is one of the most energy efficient types of electric stoves, but they do require compatible cookware. Gas cooktops feature burners with open flames that are easy to adjust to a precise temperature. They also provide fast and even heating, making them a favorite of professional chefs. Next, let's take a look inside the range. The oven portion of your range can be gas or electric. Though many cooks prefer a gas cooktop, electric ovens are favored by bakers because they produce a dry, even heat that's ideal for making baked goods and roasting meats. For many home chefs, a dual fuel range with a gas cooktop and an electric oven offers the best of both worlds. Convection ovens use an electric fan to move hot air around the compartment for even heating. Self-cleaning ovens either use high temperatures to turn food residue into ash for easy disposal, or high heat and steam to soften stuck-on food. Depending on the width and configuration of your range, you might have the option of having a second or even third oven compartment. These are great for cooking multiple dishes that require different temperature settings. There are several other great features and options to consider, including smart ranges that you can control with your app on your connected device, and a range of finish and color options. Check out our buying guides to learn more and find the perfect range for your project at build.com. Thanks for watching.